and this video will demonstrate how to install a Chicco or Graco car seat into the Qool stroller. So I have the car seat adapter bar here in my hands, and what you want to do is essentially click the bar right into the seat brackets. So the seat is currently removed and the seat brackets are on the frame right now. The adapter will click right into those brackets. You'll hear that audible click on each side. And then you're going to take your car seat and place it inside. And you also will hear it click once the car seat is in place. Now, to remove the car seat, you're really all you're doing is releasing it just like you do from the base in the car. So you're going to squeeze the back tab here, and that will also remove the car seat from the adapter itself. To remove the adapter from the stroller, you'll see these two levers here on each side. You're just going to push those inward and remove the bar from the stroller. And that's it.